Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen mats, but with a spooky twist. That's right, we're bringing you the best Halloween kitchen mats available in the market. So, grab your broomsticks and let's get started. Our featured product for today is the KMAT kitchen mat, a set of 2 cushioned anti-fatigue kitchen rugs designed to make your kitchen experience both comfortable and stylish. These mats are not only perfect for adding a touch of Halloween spirit to your home, but they also offer incredible functionality that will make your time in the kitchen a breeze. Now, let's delve into the key features that make these mats stand out from the rest. First off, they're ergonomically engineered to provide maximum comfort and support while you're standing in the kitchen. Say goodbye to tired feet and achy joints. Whether you're whipping up a batch of witch's brew or concocting some devilishly delicious treats, these mats have got you covered. Plus, they're waterproof and non-slip, so you can dance around your kitchen with confidence, even on the spookiest of nights. Now, let's talk about durability. Made from premium PVC material, these mats are built to last. They're phthalate-free, latex-free, and odor-free, ensuring a safe and healthy environment for you and your family. But wait, there's more. These mats aren't just limited to the kitchen. They're versatile enough to use in any high-traffic indoor or outdoor space, whether it's your laundry room, office, or even your haunted farmhouse. With rave reviews like that, it's no wonder why the KMAT kitchen mats are a must-have for any Halloween enthusiast. And with their affordable price point, you can spookify your kitchen without breaking the bank. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on all things Halloween and beyond. Until next time, happy haunting!